And I'm Sherry Gibson. We're also on keeping a close watch on the tropics, as we all are. Chief Meteorologist Chris Franklin has a closer look at Rafael and what this might turn into in the next coming days, Chris.
Yeah, maybe by later tonight or certainly early tomorrow. The anticipation is that it will become a hurricane, kind of on the cusp right now with winds of 70 miles an hour. Also something to note, it is a very small storm. The impact's wind field is not going to be very far removed from the center. So this is pretty compact, and the impacts are going to be also fairly minimal with regards to its passage across the islands here in the next day and a half or so. Expectation again to become a hurricane, passing into the Gulf of Mexico by probably late tomorrow into early Thursday as a hurricane. And what we've started to see is a little bit more agreement with the Euro compared to the GFS. If you remember yesterday, the GFS kind of had the motion more toward the north, so more likely Louisiana toward Florida. The Euro had been more to the west. Now, while we're kind of still splitting the difference here, there is the anticipation that it will continue moving a little bit more west through the day Thursday and Friday. Then the big question will be, when does it actually start turning toward the north? Also something to keep in mind, this is not exactly a bullseye for Louisiana. While what is left over of the kind of circulation may be around here by Saturday into Sunday. Also notice it's not going to move a whole lot in the course of 24 hours. The rainfall, most of the winds may be well removed from that center, because at this point into the weekend, the storm is going to be getting ripped apart by dry air and wind shear. So again, November, all good things for us. We've had a few spotty showers on radar, most of which have been in Tangipahoa, Washington Parish, as well as a few that have been around the river parishes as well as the bayou parishes. As next couple of days go, looking fairly dry but warm and humid. We'll talk about the timing and potential impacts from Rafael in just a moment.